recognize the fallacies and the breakdowns in people because I recognize the fallacy and breakdown in myself. So what I believe in this particular case is that we had a 2-hour interview yesterday with Detective Dish and Keebler in this case, in which my client outlined exactly what his relationship was with this alleged victim, what his sex offender treatment has been like, and any motives that he may have felt were the foundation of these charges being brought. And that was 2 hours long. And then at the expiration of that 2 hours, we found that, but let me regress for a second. I believe that repentance is a very big part of anybody's life that's really a Christian. It's an everyday thing. It's like every day going up and going to getting rid of the waste from your body. I believe that repentance is necessary. And so let me first say, on the record, that I apologize to Mr. Robinson here. I did apologize to him personally a minute ago, but I want to say it for the record because I mistakenly thought he was someone else last time when we had that boorish exchange that I had with him out here on the sidewalk. That was not by the Spirit, and I repented of that. I felt unsettled in my spirit since that exchange happened. But we've talked about that. But going forward with the new charges and even with these charges, I intend for my client to once again make a statement to the police. Let the police do their job. I am confident that Commonwealth is capable of taking a look at these charges, seeing what's responsible. But I'm also confident that my client will find his place of repentance, be accountable to what he needs to be accountable for. And he's also praying for those who need healing. Obviously, there's healing needed here. It would have served no purpose to have a preliminary hearing today and cross-examine someone that needs healing. That's not my style, and I have my own personal ethical code to stand by, regardless of whether I'm a practicing lawyer or not, because I'm an elder first and a lawyer second. And so at the end of the day, that's where we're at on this charge. We waived at the court today. We don't want the young man to have to go through anything that would be contrary to his healing. My client is meeting with the detectives on a consistent basis to clear up whatever needs to be, to answer any questions. And also, he's been in sex offender treatment. Understand, these charges are from some time ago. He got his real breakthrough spiritually in 2011. There are no charges subsequent to that particular time while he's been on the street on probation. These are all allegations that were made prior to him really finding himself and finding the truth of what has been happening inside of him. So he's been very candid with me about that, and I'm a counselor also. So he's been very candid with me about being truthful, being accountable, and we've had many, many tearful sessions, and we've had many, many prayerful sessions. And right now our prayers are for the people that were involved on the other side of this case, that they may achieve their goals.
So what was waived today is the corruption of minors, but the new charges, involuntary deviant sexual intercourse and indecent assault, have yet to be dealt with.
They have yet to be dealt with, and he hasn't been arraigned on those charges yet. But I perceive, and like I told you a minute ago, we're going to proceed on those charges as we proceeded on these. I'm one of those kind of people, like everything on the table. I'm not going to, I'm just going to be truthful and honest, and I'm going to confront my client with those things and get his take on these things. And then after that, we will make our statement to the Detective Dish and Keebler, who I've known for Dish anyway for over 30 years, and I'm confident that we'll get to where we need to get to.
These are county police officers you're talking about?
Yes, county detectives.
So new charges have been filed, he just hasn't been arraigned.
Exactly. And then arraignment means he hasn't been formally read those charges, nor has there been a bond set on those charges.
Do you know when that may happen?
It'll happen. It'll probably happen within the next 48 hours. And then there'll be a preliminary hearing within the next 10 days.
For those two new charges?
Yes.
So right now, today was just the first charge.
That's correct. That's exactly right. It's from the hearing that was postponed 2 weeks ago.
All right. No more conversations with you two. You all are cool.
No, we're good. We're good.
Very well.
Good job.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. God bless you.
All right.